Stainless steel multifunctional shoe rack clips onto cabinet for extra space. Plastic storage racks without punching holes. Waterproof long sleeves for household tasks, protecting from dirt and oil. Casual design for comfortable wear during chores. This electric grinder is for coffee, nuts, spices, and chili. It has stainless steel blades for chopping and grinding. Automatic cloth changing mini mop simplifies cleaning. Just press the handle to swap cloths automatically. It reaches corners easily and cleans various surfaces effectively. Great for floors, cabinets, mirrors, walls, and more. This screen door with magnets is for sliding doors. It closes automatically and has retractable mesh, keeping bugs out and letting air in. Hang spoons and kitchen utensils on this holder, with hooks for easy access and organized storage on cabinet doors or walls. Waterproof cover for electric vehicles and bicycles. Double window design, thick winter fabric keeps parent-child warm, ideal for shielding wind and cold. Tea bag storage box with compartments for coffee, sugar packets, and capsules. Multi-layer organizer for kitchen or pantry, keeping items neat and accessible. This motorcycle knee guard keeps knees warm, windproof and waterproof for protective gear. Automatic machine for covering shoes with film. Portable includes one roll of disposable covers, waterproof and dustproof, suitable for various places. Multifunctional cutter for eggs, strawberries, and shaping food. Made of stainless steel, useful kitchen gadget for cutting food into flower shapes. This amazing durable garbage bag holder has a large capacity. It's made of washable mesh material and is suitable for storing plastic, garbage, and shopping bags. It can hang on walls or doors for easy access. Plastic bags with drawstring handles for convenient trash disposal. These versatile bags are perfect for tying up garbage and making carrying items hassle-free with their sturdy drawstring ropes.